Hey YouTubers, hope all is well. Come to you now to bring you a presentation of this Nitrous Express single nozzle fogger kit. A lot of times guys use these kits usually for to spool a turbo, to get out the hole, like guys with automatic like myself. My preference for this nitrous kit is to get out the hole. After the turbo's on full boost, the nitrous is going to shut off. This is the first part one of the nitrous unboxing. Part two, I'm going to be unboxing the innovation nitrous failsafe. Nowadays is rarely you'll see people blowing up on nitrous. When they usually do is because they have no idea what the hell they're doing. So let's get started. This is what comes in the kit. This is a 10-pound bottle, and this is all the accessories that came with it. The purge system, which is very important. The purge system you very much need to have a good healthy dose of nitrous inside the line, so there's no air in the system. This purge system does not come with the kit, and I picked up this kit in my local shop. It's called S&K Speed out in New York, Long Island, New York. And this kit is actually separate, but it's a must-have. It came with this really cool stainless steel purge line. Also, as you can see, it came with instructions, a hotline on if you have any questions about nitrous, concerning this installation or the kit or anything at all. Feel free to call them. The number is right there. And to you guys who are going to be using nitrous, it's a very good idea to make sure your motor, your ignition and fuel system is at 100% before even trying to attempt to use this. You will blow up. What do we have here? Really cool stainless steel nitrous bottle holder. It's secure in your trunk. As you can see, one of them is higher and lower to give you the proper elevation. This is one would be the front and this one would be the back. So this is exactly how it would go. These are really cool. You can also go on Nitrous Express website. You can buy their billet nitrous bottle holder. This is really cool. This is very high quality stuff. Then again too, when you're buying, you buy from a reputable company like Nitrous Express. They've been around a while. They've been doing this for a very long time. This is really good quality. Really good quality. And these are the jets for the different type of ways that you're gonna have to use this. Everything that you need. It comes with a chart. Mainline EFI. It has the horsepower, the N2O, and the fuel. This is for a single nozzle EFI setup. I'm gonna be using really cool card too. Come with a tech support card with a phone number and a representative who you can call and speak to. Now we have the solenoids, which is very important. These are the two mainline solenoids for the Nitrous Express. Right now I should have gotten an automatic bottle opener, but that's fine. Comes with every single thing you need. hook this up to make it a very simple installation. If you are not too mechanically inclined, I suggest that you have a professional installation. These are all the fittings, including the single nozzle. And you can see it comes with everything you need. This is an awesome kit, really awesome. You have your fuel and your NO2. Really awesome kit. For anybody that's looking for not big of a bang in horsepower, but enough. This is a throttle actuator switch. This switch only allows the nitrous to spray when the throttle body is at 90% opened. You know, you don't want to, you really don't want to spray nitrous on a close too early. Could learn the hard way why. Cool switch, power on and off. You have another trigger, but I wouldn't recommend using this for nitrous, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Because if you use this button and you let off the throttle, say bye-bye to your motor. These are also the lines that go under the engine bay for the solenoid, for the fuel and nitrous delivery. Really awesome kit. Empty box. Came with a really cool catalog too, so if you're thinking about getting, you know, more or any other stuff, everything is there. Everything is there. Nice stainless steel purge line. And let's see what we have here. This comes in your purge kit. Another solenoid. Very nice, high quality, well built. You know, I really trust when it says made in USA. When I see names like made in USA, made in Japan, you're guaranteed you're getting high quality stuff. Not much here, but this is a definite must have with any nitrous kit. Okay, let's pack all this back. For me, I'm going to be running a 70 horsepower nitrous. Nothing I know my motor can't handle. And this is the 10-pound bottle that it came with. Believe it or not, I'm going to be installing this kit pretty soon. And this bottle already has nitrous. Go. You can also opt for, you know, the carbon fiber bottle. Saves a lot of weight, you know, for the serious drag racers. But this is it. This is a 10-pound bottle, and it's pretty full too. Let's see how full this bottle is right now. We're just gonna let a little bit out, just a little, for you YouTubers. Okay. Just Just a little. Well, thank you guys for watching. Part 2 of my video will be the unboxing of the innovation Nitrous failsafe. Click the like and subscribe button so I can continue bringing you more and more videos on my build. This is only one of my builds. This Nitrous system is going on a 1988 Mitsubishi Starion with a Gato manifold and Haltech Elite 1500. Alright, YouTubers, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed.